12 years ago I took this picture. Even as a beginner, I was always looking to make something different. Tomorrow is the Romanian final of the Red Bull BC1 Cypher. This is a b-boy competition and I want to go there, capture the whole event in one picture. The event will take place in a shopping center, which I'm pretty familiar with, and if I am correct, it will happen right here. With that in mind, I made this sketch. The point is to create an image that encapsulates the whole event. You have everything in just one shot. Being that I am not sure how far I will be from the action and how wide I will need to go with the lens, I will take a few with me. But my guess is that the 24-70, the zoom lens will do the job. Very important but not mandatory is a tripod. I'll also take the GoPro with me just to shoot some of the action and show you guys how it's all happening. Go in there as a spectator. I probably won't be allowed to be right next to the stage. That's why the whole idea of me being somewhere up high is probably gonna work in my favor. Because there's gonna be a lot of people over there, I won't be able to move too much and take other pictures, so all my focus will be on just this one idea, that sketch that I showed you. Bag is ready, baby has been fed, let's go. It looks like I ended up here 1 hour too early. That means only one thing, that I won't be here until the end of the event. Unfortunately, I'll have to go back home to feed the baby cat. Sorry ladies, you won't be part of this image. Here is the setup. I will need a clean slate of the stage so I can use that as a background for the final image. The settings for this instance will be 1/2000. I'm using the widest aperture, which is 2.8 on this lens. Being that we're indoors and sun is going down, and I don't want to use a high ISO, even though I'm not scared of doing that, because lately Lightroom or Bridge or any other software can get rid of the noise. You can go for higher ISO, but I just don't prefer it. Now I'm just making sure that I'm taking enough pictures of each of the b-boys, and I would like to also include the MC. And we're back. The job's not done yet. Now we'll have to put all the images into the software, pick one best picture for each of our subjects, and after a first edit in Bridge or Lightroom, take all of those pictures and put them in Photoshop. The picture I showed you in the beginning, it's called a sequence, when the same subject appears multiple times in one final image. But what we're gonna do here, it's gonna be called stacking, which is adding multiple subjects into one image. First, I work on the background and expand the stage area so that in the end, all the subjects will fit in nicely. AI was just rubbish, so I had to do it old school. All I'm doing here is masking each subject out and moving them around in a way that the composition looks nice in the end. To make this image more realistic, you'll have to make another layer on top of the background layer. Pick a color from the background, a darker color, set the blending mode to multiply, and paint in some shadows for each of the subjects. Use a soft brush at 20-30% opacity and go over multiple times if necessary. And that's it. This is the final image, and if you want to see it, you can go to my Instagram and check it out. I will see you next time. Thank you for watching. Okay, here we go. Job's not dropped a little. The settings. And rewind. All I'm doing here is maxing